My name is Cole Patterson, and I'm the president of Tuska UAV design team. In Tuska UAV design team, we focus on the safe design, construction, and operation of unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones. This can be larger projects that we work on as an entire club, where we design something from the ground up. These are usually autonomous mission vehicles, so we can program a mission on the computer and they'll go fly it without any need for input from us. We also do drone racing, which is more manual, where we are flying the drones. They are first-person view drones, so we wear goggles that let us see what the drone sees while it's flying, and the goal is to be the fastest. So the best way to keep up with us is through our GroupMe. That's where we post all our information, such as when we're meeting. We do meet on a weekly recurring basis on Mondays and Thursdays in our lab at 6:30. This is where we do the work on the drones and the design work. We meet on Sundays at 12:30 at the Arboretum, and this is where we fly. So this is where we can test our bigger projects, as well as our racing team trains, and new members are able to learn how to fly drones. You don't need any experience to join the club, and so we can teach you how to fly drones, both the bigger UAV style drones as well as our FPV racing drones.
So when I joined the program, I really didn't know what to expect out of it because it's not really a field that I didn't have a previous interest in. And so when I joined the program, I really found a really good connection with the community. And going to lab hours on Mondays and Thursdays, you just know you're going to have a sense of involvement. And even if you have no experience or expertise in any certain field, you're going to be thrown into a project and you're going to be, using every bit of knowledge you already previously had as an engineer, and it really pushes you as an engineer and makes you learn new things. So for me on flight days, I've flown drones before, but I've never flown anything fixed wing. And so flight days were a really good way to experiment and learn how to fly a drone, fly a racing drone specifically. And it really put me into the field of becoming a racer and a pilot. And so next semester, I'm actually looking forward to becoming a pilot on our racing team. And also I get to train on flight days. So that's where we go out with our equipment, and we also have these gates we set up, and we'll sit there and we'll train the race course and everything like that. And then also just testing anything you build in the lab because you want to see it fly. That's the whole point of the projects.